Let's solve 385 divided by 7 using the box method. Our first step is to draw our box, and then we are going to put our dividend inside the box. So 385. Then I'm going to divide it up into 3 columns. And then I'm going to put my 7 on the outside of the box, my divisor. And then I'm going to add my multiplication sign to help me to remember to multiply. All right, so our first step is to think, how many times does 7 go into the number 3? Or 7 times what is 3? Well, I know that's 0. So I'm going to put 0 right there. And now we have to multiply 0 times 7 is 0. And now we subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, our next step is to swoop the number 3 to the next column. And then we put 3 in front of the 8. This becomes 38. Now 7 times what gets me close to 38? Well, I know my multiplication facts, and 7 times 5 is 35. So I'm going to put 5 right up here. 5 times 7 is 35. And now I subtract. We get 3. All right, now we're going to swoop our number 3 up to the next column and add it in front of the 5. So this becomes 35. 7 times what is 35? Well, I know that's 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Now we subtract and we get 0. Since we got to a 0, we know there is no remainder, and the quotient, or the answer to our division problem, 385 divided by 7, equals 55. Whoops.